Hello guys. So once again, you are all welcome to Crypto TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on how to make money online. So guys, as we all know, the Christmas is approaching and we all will be needing some quiet money in our pocket so that we'll be able to celebrate the Christmas. So guys, I'll be doing some giveaways. So kindly join my WhatsApp group. In case you haven't joined, kindly open the description box and join the WhatsApp link in the description box below. Also guys, don't forget to share my videos. I'll be doing giveaways, so kindly share my videos. So guys, please share my videos. Without much further ado, today we'll be learning about some long-term USDT platform. So the platform name is called fi64.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Kindly click on it so that I could be able to lead you straight to this particular platform I'm talking about. So first of all, I'll log out so that I'll show you guys how to register a new account. I'll log out and show you guys how to register a new account with them. So let me log out first of all. I'll sign out right now so that I'll show you guys how to register a new account. So in order to register a new account with them, guys, if you come here, just click on the sign up button over here. So we click on the sign up button. So over here we type in our mail over here, then we type in our password. We confirm the password over here, and our invitation code is also important. So guys, kindly use my referral link in the description box so that you could be able to get the invite code over here. So guys, once you have already signed up, you just click on the login button down here. So I already have an account. I'll click on the login button, so everything automatically works. So I'll just log in right now. So guys, as you can see from here, this is my new account. I've not deposited yet, and I'll be depositing right away. So guys, don't worry, this site is really legit. I've already confirmed it. So as you all can see, if you accumulate a total amount of 100 USDT, you get a 12 USDT reward over here. That's what they are promising us, guys. So this site is also legit. We all need to jump onto it so that we could make some money before the Christmas get there. So over here, guys, when you come over here, when you click on the deposit button over here, so when you click on the deposit button, you will see that there's a USDT TRC20 wallet generated over here, and the minimum amount you can actually invest over here is just 10 USDT. So over here is the wallet for you to deposit. You copy this whole address over here by clicking on the copy address over here. When you click on it, you head back to your any wallet that you have, maybe Binance, maybe Trust Wallet, maybe Coinbase, maybe Zelle, maybe whatever wallet that you are using, you can actually deposit. So guys, let's check their investment plan that they have over here. So fi64 investment one day, they'll be giving you a total profit of 4.5% each and every day. So daily income over here is 4.5 USDT. So when you click on that, you could be able to see that when you click on the invest to over here, you see the total profit over here. So if you invest 10 USDT over here, you'll be getting a total profit after one day, which is 10.45 USDT. So let's say we invest 50 USDT here, we'll be getting a total profit of 52.25, just like that each and every day, guys. So you can choose to join this plan or go back, come to the plan 3 over here, the 3 days plan over here. So you have the 3 days plan over here. For the 3 days plan, when you click on it, when you click on the invest over here, so the minimum to over here is just 10 USDT. So with the 10 USDT, you'll be getting a total profit of 11.5. So guys, let's say we have an amount of 30. So with our 30 USDT each and every 3 days, we'll be getting a total profit of 34.5 USDT, guys. So how cool is this? So also they have another plan, which is the They have another plan, which is this one. Let's click on the invest button. They have a 7 days plan over here too. So you click on the 7 days plan. So each and every day they will be giving you 7% daily income, which is 0.7 USDT. When you click on it over here, you could be able to see that for 10 USDT, the minimum investment over here too is 10 USDT. So if you invest 10 USDT for 7 days, you'll be getting 14.9 USDT. So let's say we invest 30 over here, we'll be getting a total profit of 44.7 USDT after 1 week, guys. So this is really cool, guys. You all should jump onto it. Also, they have a live support over here that you can tap on it, so that you could be able to test their Telegram or their support. So over here too, when you click on the share button over here, you could see that a link will be generated for you. You just click on the copy over here, you copy, share it with your friends and family, so that you could be able to get more and more money whenever they deposit. So over here too, guys, when you click on my team, you could be able to see the total number of people that you have referred. So this is my new platform. I've never referred anybody yet. So it's a newly launched site. It was launched just some few days ago. So also when you click on the withdraw over here, very simple over here, you just need to add your wallet before you actually withdraw over here. So you just select your wallet, the total amount of USDT you want to withdraw over here, then you enter your password, then you click on submit. That's all you basically need to do in order to withdraw over here. So guys, I've showed you guys everything you basically need to do in order to get more money over here. So you can click on activity over here. So when you click on the activity, check in their news update over here. Okay, so guys, that's all you basically need to do. And each and every day too, you need to click on the sign in over here, so that you could be able to get some extra profit. So I need to deposit before they will give me the signing bonus. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this particular platform in order to get more money. So kindly use my referral link in the description box, so that you could be able to join this particular platform and make money before the Christmas comes. So thank you all for once again watching usdt TV. If you find my videos really informative and really educative, then kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates on how to make money on usdt TV. So guys, please, I'll be doing giveaway in my WhatsApp group, so kindly join my WhatsApp for more giveaways. Thank you all for watching usdt TV.